When you're going into the Schlenz canal with the tip of the injector, put the tip a little bit 50 degrees up.
Yep.
So you make sure you go inside the Schlenz canal and you're not going to the suprachoroidal space or something.
Try to divide the quadrant into 4, and as I'm retracting, it depends what music you're playing in the OR. If it's like too slow, then you need like something, you want them to be clicking.
It's very important to be synced with the assistant, with your scrub nurse, because she's going to be the one rotating, right? That's an interesting point, because for this patient, her pressure was high already. So I said, you know what? The goal of your surgery is not to reduce your drops, it's to reduce your pressure. If we can reduce the drops, that's a bonus.